Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skillshare teacher account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload a video lesson to your Skillshare course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload a video lesson into your Skillshare class anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling classes and courses through Skillshare, you know it's all video driven. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skillshare teacher dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my dashboard and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and upload a video lesson, you're going to click on View My Classes. However, if you don't have a class yet, you're going to click on Create a Class. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the left, and you want to be sure to click on Video Lessons. Once you click on Video Lessons, you're going to see all the lessons you've uploaded. However, if it's a new class like this one, you're going to click here on Upload Videos. Okay, I grabbed a video and you can see it starts uploading immediately. Okay, next you can see the videos processing. They let you know approximately it's going to take about 30 minutes depending on your video. Now, to make sure that your video lesson is accepted, make sure that you click on here on Class Quality Guidelines. At minimum, this is going to need to be 1080p. Once you've uploaded your video lesson into your Skillshare account, you want to scroll to the top and then click on Save Draft. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the save draft happened at this time. So we can continue to upload our lessons. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video lesson into your Skillshare teacher account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.